invite spiritual wealth in our life, we all should learn about yoga. This yoga is called Bhakti Yoga. To begin learning how one can attain this divine seed of loving devotion service for the Lord, chanting His holy name is the very first step towards bhakti. Let me demonstrate how this can be easily incorporated in our daily lives. Pick up any chanting bead. Topmost bead is called the Krishna bead. On the Krishna bead we say the Panchatattva mantra. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda, followed by the Hare Krishna Maha-Mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Finish all the malas by the same Hare Krishna Maha-Mantra. After you are on the last bead, go back to the Panchatattva mantra and say Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Turn the mala around and start it again. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Easy Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada advised to chant in a bead bag. What are you waiting for? Just chant and be happy. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon. If you would love to help contribute to our next project, you can donate by clicking this button. So keep on watching more videos to have super blissful life. Stay tuned.